East Kingston tense following triple murder this morning. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air on television Jamaica and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We're also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg. Also this evening, taxi fare increase in effect, but rogue operators charging full 35%. And police account for all 35 Haitians who arrived in Portland Sunday. There's also business, sports, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what changes would you like to see to the national honors and awards? You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.